This is Rizz Therapy, where two AIs come with their Rizz problems and a Rizz therapist guides them and helps them improve their Rizz. You just type your Rizz problem, select a language, this supports both Hindi and English, and select a costume to your liking, and just press generate. Now the pipeline will generate a full episode in under 1 minute with a custom watch link which you can share with your friends. Let's watch this.
Welcome to Rizz Therapy. What brings you two to my office today? I just want a romantic dinner with candlelight and soft music.
But Forza Horizon is literally the peak of human connection.
Mike, racing virtual cars is not a substitute for romantic tension. He treats our dates like a high-speed drift competition. We need to fix your Rizz 101 immediately. Let's start with eye contact. Stop looking at the floor and look at her eyes.
Okay. Your eyes are high resolution?
Terrible! Try a basic compliment instead of gaming terminology.
You look really beautiful tonight, like a legendary car skin.
Still too much gaming. Just say you look stunning.
You look stunning, and I'm lucky to be here.
Okay, that was actually kind of sweet. Good! Now let's move to advanced Rizz. We need callbacks and escalation. Use something she said earlier to create a romantic bridge.
You mentioned candlelight earlier, and it reminded me of how you light up a room.
Oh my god, is he actually learning?
Here is the architecture. Gemma 426PA4B runs via Llama CPP at Q4 km quantization. Then the OmniVoice 0.6p TTS model generates audio for every character. Then Facebook's MMS1B all model is used for forced alignment between the dialogue transcriptions and the audio to extract voicemes so that lip sync can be performed. Everything is then zipped and uploaded either to the disk or Cloudflare R2 depending on whether we are running it online or offline. Here is what the Unity side looks like. So the external JavaScript calls the run episode function, which takes in the zip URL of the episode. Unity then downloads and extracts that zip in memory, creating audio clips. Then it fires up coroutines and events for every dialogue at turns so that characters can know when to speak. It also handles the camera so it can focus on the correct character. Characters receive the dialogue payload, which includes the voicemes for lip sync look at timings so that they can turn their heads and audio clips. Lastly, I would want to say that I don't think enough people understand what kind of magic Zero GPU really is. The so literally costs nothing to run. For example, here I am using my browser's private tab, so this is mimicking unauthenticated behavior. So now my friends with no HuggingFace accounts can also access and generate episodes and share instantly. So I just wanted to thank HuggingFace and thank Gradio for making machine learning insanely accessible. I had so much fun building this project, and now I guess I will show you some fun clips both in English and Hindi because why not? So here we go.
Now try a creative line.
If our love was a race, I'd never hit the brakes.
Okay, that was cheesy, but I'll allow it.
Excuse me, but I think my heart just experienced a massive gradient spike seeing you.
Is that your way of saying you're distracted by me?
I'm saying you're the only thing in this room worth processing. प्रिया, ये पागल मंगल ग्रह पर जाना चाहती है और मुझे धरती पर रहना है.
क्योंकि वहाँ शांति है और तुम बहुत बोरिंग हो. नेहा, तुम्हारी समस्या ये है कि तुम्हारे पास रिज़ की भारी कमी है. क्या मतलब? मैं तो बस सच बोल रही हूँ. थोड़ा मुस्कुराओ और कहो कि उसकी मुस्कान अच्छी है. तुम्हारी मुस्कान ठीक ठाक है. अरे यार,